This is a pretty cool little like scale idea. Flat 9, sharp 9, 4, sharp 4 or flat 5, flat 5, sharp 5, flat 7, major 7, back to flat 9, flat 3, D, major 7 again, back to flat 5, 5, what would that be, what, flat, or sharp 5 again? Major 7 again, I think. Yeah, major 7 again. Flat 9, sharp 9.